Welcome back for our France Avenue Tea Knit Along. So today we are going to talk about how to cast on stitches. So, and casting on, but I mean casting on while you've been working. So by now, you've done the hem and you've been working on the body. And so you get to this point and you're going to see in the directions that you need to cast on for the sleeve, because it's not a separate piece, it's all one piece. So it's going to say continue in stockinette stitch, and using attached yarn and cable cast on, and then the quantity of stitches you need to do for your sleeve. Now, cable cast on, and I chose that one, and I like that one when adding on stitches because it gives you a nice clean edge for when you're seaming everything up. So when you're going to do the cable cast on, it's really easy, and like I said, it gives you a really lovely edge to work into. You're going to take your right hand needle and go between the first and second stitch on the needle. And so you're just right in between there. You're going to take your working yarn and bring it around as to knit, and you've made a stitch. And you're just going to put that right back on your left hand needle. So you're going to repeat again and bring that one back onto your needle. And you'll do however many stitches are listed on the pattern for your size. I'm just going to do it one more time. And then I'm going to show you how we do it on the other end. So let's say we've put on our prescribed number of stitches for our sleeve. You then go ahead into that first stitch, and you're just going to knit all the way across to the other side. And then we will put on the other sleeve. And that's how you essentially do the cable cast on. But I do want to show the other side so you're really comfortable with how we do that. So we have to do the other sleeve. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we did on the first edge, just we're going to do it on the other side. All right, so we have sleeve stitches right here, but we need some on this side, so our sweater front or back is balanced. So turn it around, and you're just going to do the exact same thing. Even though you're looking at this as if it's a purl row, it's perfectly fine, because remember, these stitches that you're creating are actually going to be in the selvage of your sleeve seam. So once again, we'll just go in between and cast on. And you're just basically creating a new knit stitch that you're putting onto your needle. It'll just look very neat and very tidy. And then you have your stitches cast on, and you can just go ahead and then purl back to the beginning. One thing I do want to talk about though, it's going to tell you that you're going to work even. And sometimes that's a question we get here at Blue Sky. People ask, what do you mean knit even? Knit even means you're going to just keep knitting these stitches that are on your needle without increasing or decreasing. So that's basically it. You've got your sleeves cast on, and you'll continue forward knitting even on your sweater.